Hello everyone, in this tutorial let us learn how to use the if-else condition in Python. In the previous tutorial we saw how we implemented if conditions. Now we will learn how to implement the else along with the if conditions. Let us start with biggest of two. Let me get a value for a and b. Now let me check if a is greater than b, print a is greater. Here instead of using another if, let me use else, print b is greater. So what happens here is, first it checks the condition in the if statement. So here if a greater than b, it will print a is greater. If the condition is not true, then every other false conditions will fall under else. So it will print b is greater. Only if a is greater than b, it prints a is greater. Otherwise, all the actions which we gave in the else condition will be done. So now let's run a program. Let me give a is 10 and b is 5. So it prints a is greater. If I give a is 10 and b is 20, it prints b is greater. So this is how if-else statements work. Let us do another program for smallest of two. Is x is equal to int of input of, I'm asking a value for x, then we'll get a value for y. Now let me give a condition. If x is lesser than y, it will print x is smaller. If the condition in if is not true, then it comes to else and prints y is smaller. Let us run the program. Give a value 3 for x and 1 for y, it prints y is smaller. Next we'll find odd or even. We'll get a value for m. Now let us check if m modulus of 2 is equal to 0, then it prints m is even number. Else it prints m is odd number. Let us run the program. It asks a value for m. I give 3. It prints m is odd number. Again let us run and check. We give a value 2. It prints m is an even number. Now let us see whether a person is eligible to vote or not. Let me get the age of the user. If age is greater than 18, I am eligible to vote. Else I am not eligible to vote. Let us run the program and give our age as 80. It prints I am eligible to vote. If I give 15, it says I am not eligible to vote. Now let us find positive or negative number. let us get a number. If number is greater than 0, it is positive number. Else it prints it is a negative number. Let us run the program. It asks for the value. Let us give 2. It is a positive number. If I give -1, it is a negative number. So this is how it works. Now let's check the same for triangle formula. So here I get a is equal to input of enter a value for a, and I'm getting a value for b also, and for c. So now let's check if a plus b plus c is equal to 180, then it's a triangle. Else not a triangle. Let us check this. I'm giving 100 for A, 40 for B, and 40 for C. It says it's a triangle. If I give 40, 40, and 40, it says it's not a triangle. So this is how we use the else condition along with the if conditions. This is called if else.